Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to access File Manager in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the home page of your phone and go to Files, and here you can manage all photos, videos and documents. Okay, there are different categories: downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and apps. Also favorites, save folder are available, and here internal storage is available. Just you can go to internal storage and go to particular folder. Okay, internal storage DCAM camera folder. Okay, all camera photos and videos are available in camera folder. Okay, also some download folder is available. Okay, so in this way you can easily access file manager, and here click on other storage, and if any other storage is available, it will be shown here. Okay, so in this way you can easily access camera folder. Okay, that is reason for recently opened items will be available at the top of our screen here. Okay, so in this way you can easily access file manager in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.